Assalamu alaikum. I'm Simla Bhutta, a part of Rehan AI Teachers Institute. This video titled about Fiverr.com and Upwork.com make money online with freelancing by Rehan Allahwala is a part of a series from Rehan Training Institute. In this episode, Rehan Allahwala provides a brief but clear introduction to freelancing and platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. He highlights the key benefits of each platform, offers practical advice on setting up profiles, choosing a niche, and getting started with freelancing. This video is concise and engaging, making it easy for beginners to follow along and get motivated. However, it could be enhanced with more detailed examples or case studies to provide deeper insights for viewers who might be looking for more in-depth guidance. Overall, it is a great starting point for anyone new to freelancing. Rehan's enthusiastic and clear delivery makes the content accessible and motivating. Overall, it is a great starting point for anyone new to freelancing. Rehan's enthusiastic and clear delivery makes the content accessible and motivating. In summary, this episode serves as a solid introduction for the beginners. If you are looking to dive deeper, you might look forward to more episodes in this series. Thank you very much.